Yo, what's the dealio, YouTube? YouTube. We are getting everything situated for tomorrow's live stream. All right, so tomorrow we are live streaming. All right, tomorrow morning we're live streaming. So I wanted to go over a couple things for tomorrow's live stream. All right, so a couple things. Tomorrow I'm going to be trading. It's going to be a live trade. All right. I'm going to show what we're doing in the Discord. All right. So tomorrow in the Discord, we trade live every day. I'm going to go live on YouTube, and that's going to show what we're doing. All right. So you're going to be able to trade live with us. But I want to give you guys some rules of engagement. Okay. So that way we can have the best outcome. Okay. What's up, my man? I've been watching your videos for the last week. I've been soaking up all the game. Hey, I appreciate it. I definitely appreciate it, man. Keep soaking the game up because it's a lot of game to have. And, trading will change your life. Took a trade on shop and got stopped out. Dang. How much was it? How much was it? How much was it? But having a stop loss is okay. You know what I'm saying? Having a stop loss is okay because the stop loss helps you not lose money as much as you could have. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. What up? So I appreciate everything you're doing. No, I appreciate you for tuning in, man. Seriously, I appreciate you. All right. So all right. So check this out. So I'm gonna go over a couple things. All right. I'm gonna go over what I'm looking at. All right. So some stocks that I'm looking at for tomorrow. We got these right here. Let me share my screen. So tomorrow, I'm looking at, what up, Q? So tomorrow I'm looking at Robinhood, okay, right here. We got a bearish engulfing. So I have a feeling that tomorrow we gonna come all the way down here, at least to right here to test it. All right. If not to right here. So we're gonna come down a couple dollars tomorrow. So I'm looking at Robinhood. That's one that I'm looking at. All right, that's one that I'm looking at. She said I got stopped out 20%. Ain't nothing wrong with getting stopped out 20%. Always remember that that's trading. All right. And Ella, are you in the Discord? Are you in the Discord? If you're not in the Discord, I highly recommend you to join us. All right, because we gonna get Shopify tomorrow. All right, so you can make your money back with them tomorrow times 2 to 3. All right, what's up, Jeff? What's up, Q? All right, so I'm looking at Robinhood for tomorrow to the downside. That's one play that I'm looking at. I'm also looking at here we go. Shopify to the upside. This right here is a dragonfly. This is telling me that the stock is about to go crazy. All right, we about to have a breakout day tomorrow or the next day. So I'm getting into some swings tomorrow with Shopify. It closed above this level right here, this resistance level. It closed above it. So now we headed to 137. All right. So that's the next one that I'm looking at. Right? That's the next one that I'm looking at. Yeah, Ella, I would highly encourage you to join the Discord because you got to understand it's $40. It's $40 a month, but we're gonna teach you how to make $100 a day. You get what I'm saying? And also, you're gonna lose way less money messing with us because we know how to trade. So we're not gonna put you in a trade that we wouldn't be in ourselves. You know, we call trades, right? So I'm calling trades that I would trade, that I'm trading. You get what I'm saying? So I would highly, encourage you to join that. I'm gonna join. I took a big L on service robotics. Yeah, man. Hey, come join. Right tomorrow. Listen. So this is how the stock market went today. Today we had some pullbacks, right? Now I went over some plays that I'm looking at. I went over some plays that I'm looking at for this week yesterday, right? Now today we had a red day, but that don't mean that the plays ain't still intact, right? That don't mean that the plays ain't still intact. We had a pullback. That's all it was, right? Let me show you the pullback. Let me show you why today didn't really matter. It was just a setup. Watch this. Right? So I called Adobe, right? Okay. So look at this. This is an inverse head and shoulders right here, right? Okay. But it closed. I said if Adobe can close above this level right here, 463.97, we going to 474. Now it barely got above it, but tomorrow, if we open above this right here, we gonna see some action up here. You get what I'm saying? So I'm telling you, we had a pullback. You see all of this? The stock came all the way down here today. The stock came all the way down here today. But all this buying pressure pushed it up, right? This right here is buying pressure. The buying pressure pushed the stock up, right, to this level right here. Once we break this level right here, I'm telling you right now, Adobe is about to go crazy. We got a big gap right here too. We got the 200 EMA right here. Adobe is going to try to retest $500. Mark what I'm telling you. I'm telling you, right? I'm telling you. Adobe is about to blast off. That is an inverse head and shoulders, right? So I say that to say, I caught that play yesterday. We had a red day in the market, indecisive day, a flat day. The SPY was up 0.29%. But I'm telling you, pullbacks are healthy, all right? Pullbacks are healthy for the market. The market ain't going to just keep going up, 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 up. That's not sustainable, right? So like I said, I'm trading live tomorrow on YouTube. But what's up, trees? But I got some lingo that I need you guys to understand. Number one, there is a lag on YouTube Live getting this to you. So by the time you're hearing me say this right now, I probably like you're getting it later. So I'm going to say I'm loading. If I say I'm loading, that does not mean that I'm in the play. That means that I'm getting my contracts ready. All right? I'm going to tell you guys what I'm looking at. I will drop in the description, I will drop my watch list for the day. I will drop my levels for the day, my resistance and my support levels for the day. All right? I am not responsible if you make money. I am also not responsible if you lose money. I want to just put that disclaimer out there. Okay? So this is for the people that's watching the replay, and this is for the people that's on live, right? I am putting it out there. I am sharing the trades that I'm taking, that we're taking inside the Discord, right? If you want pinpoint accurate in the second of the moment, then you're going to have to join the Discord, because it's not a lag in the Discord, but on this YouTube Live, it will be a slight lag. Okay? I just want to put that out there. It will be a slight lag. So if I say I got in a play, I'm probably already in. I'm probably already up 2%. Right? So I just want to say that. So loading does not mean I'm getting in. It means I'm getting it ready. I'm in the contract. I just got filled. I'm at 5%. I'm at 10%. I'm at 15%. All right, guys, take profits. You can take profits here. These are the things that I will be saying. I will be calling it out play by play, right? But I will also be, there also will be a lag on YouTube, right? I'm going to be giving it to you play by play. You'll be able to follow along in the levels inside of the description, right? I just want y'all to be prepared. I'm not responsible if you make money, and I'm not responsible if you lose money. Okay? So if you get into play and I already took profits and you don't know if I got in or I got out, that's not on me, right? I'm here to share with you guys how we gonna be live trading in the Discord, right? Now for real, them seconds do matter when it come to options. I was in 2 plays today, right? I was in 2 plays today. I was in an Airbnb call and I was in a meta call. Literally on Airbnb, it wasn't going up. It wasn't going up. It wasn't breaking through. It kept getting rejected off of a level. I got out. On this play, I was up like $50. I had a way bigger target. I was up $50. I got out. I was up $45. And I'm talking about 1 to 2 seconds after I got out, Airbnb dropped. So them seconds, they definitely matter. They definitely matter. All right? I was in a meta call. It wasn't going where I wanted it to go fast enough. Right? On this trade, I lost $12. But when I got out at the perfect time because literally 4 seconds later, Meta started dropping big and strong, and it dropped like $4. So those seconds, they definitely matter when it comes to options. All right? So I just want to come and let y'all know how this is going to go tomorrow. All right? There is going to be a lag on YouTube Live. I got to put that disclaimer out there. There is going to be a lag on YouTube Live. I will let you know what I'm looking at. I will let you know what levels I'm looking at. I will drop my levels in the description, okay? And then when I'm preparing to get in a play, I will let you know that I'm loading it. When I get in, I'll tell you that I'm getting in. I will tell you that I got filled, right? While I'm in, I will tell you that I'm in. I will continue to tell you that I'm in. I will tell you my percentage. I'm up 5%. I'm up 10%. I'm up 7%. I'm up 4%. All right, guys, I'm about to get out. I'm about to get out. I'm getting out right now. All right, I got filled. I'm fully out of my position. That was a 12% trade. All right. That's how it's going to go. That's how it's going to go. I'm not going to be able to really pay attention to the comments because I'm going to be looking at the charts. All right. So I just wanted to make sure that I came on here and I got everybody ready and prepared. Right? I got everybody ready and prepared. I don't want any surprises tomorrow. I'm going to come on live no later than 9:20 a.m. Eastern and 6:20 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. What's up, Vince? Right? I'm going to go live about 10 minutes before the market opens. All right? About 10 minutes before the market opens. And we going to talk. And then once the market opens, the camera's just going to be on. I'm going to have the camera on. My computer going to be right here, just like it is. And I'm going to be looking at the charts. Okay? And I will be saying what I'm looking at. Am I loading? All of that. I'm going to be talking you through everything. All right? So for tomorrow, I will have the levels posted in the description. I'm looking at Shopify. I'm looking at Robinhood. And I'm looking at Adobe. And also I'm looking at SoFi. I just got into a SoFi swing today. I just got into a SoFi swing. Shout out to Quentin. He loves SoFi. And yeah, before market close, it looks good. Let me show you. Let me show you. So this right here, right? I got in the swing on SoFi. It's above this resistance level right here, right? And we got a gap. We got a gap. SoFi has a gap. The top of the gap is 1792, right? It's already reversed. It's on an uptrend. You get what I'm saying? We're going to fill this gap right here. It already started to fill the gap from here to here. All right, that's a nice move right there on SoFi. If we could go up $1 on SoFi, this is like 100% trade right here. Right? So I got in that swing and I signaled it to the chat. Look. I told him earlier today. Just entered in. I gave him the strike price, the expiration date, what my target is, and what my strategy and rationale is. You get what I'm saying? So I gave him that. What do you think about Lyft? You know what's funny is I was looking at Lyft today. I was about to day trade them, but I didn't. But they had a nice move. Lyft is cool. It's cool. It's like Uber, you know what I'm saying? So Lyft is cool. I'm not like I don't have any shares or anything about Lyft. All right. SoFi is the future. We're going to be banking with SoFi. Absolutely. I agree with that. I could share my screen. Whenever I'm looking at something, I'll share my screen. That's cool. I could do that. What platform? I'm going to be using. I use Webull, right? I'm gonna use Webull on my phone, right? I'm gonna be using Webull on my phone to execute my trades, and I'm gonna be on TradingView on the charts. All right. So TradingView is what I look at the stocks for the charts, and then Webull is how I execute my trades. All right. So that is that. Do y'all have any other questions? Let me know. Let me know if y'all have any other questions. This wasn't like a presentation or anything like that. This wasn't a training. I just wanted to touch bases before tomorrow and put it all out there and give you guys the game plan and give you guys the rules of engagement as well. Right? If you want precise everything, then you got to join the Discord, because I'm going to tell you my exact entries of when I'm getting into play, right? And so, and it's not me, it's one other person. We're both calling plays and day trades as well, right? So we're going to be telling you exactly what we're getting in the Discord. Yep. So just to be clear, the live stream will not be in real time because of a lag. That's correct. So it may be a 10-second lag or a 5-second lag, but in the world of options, that matters, right? That matters. So yeah. Yep, $40 monthly. So I want you to think about this, right? It's $40 a month. That's it. Because you got to understand that I make money every day in the stock market trading stock options, right? We ain't trying to bust you over the head. And also, this is a new Discord, right? I want to build with people. And so basically, basically what happens is when we get about 100 members, we're going to go up on the price. I'm just going to keep it real, right? The first maybe 80 to 100 people, they're going to only get $40 a month. They're going to be grandfathered in forever. Now, after that, it's going to be 80, maybe $100 a month. That's still a steal, but at the end of the day, 40 is super cheap. And we're going to literally teach you how to go make 5 figures a month in the stock market. 100% guaranteed. The main thing is, what's your work ethic, right? How bad do you want this? That's the main thing, is how bad do you want it? What's up, Marley? How you feeling, bro? Yeah. So the main thing is, how bad do you want to put this work in to change your life? That's really what it boils down to. That's what it boils down to. So this live stream tomorrow, I'm going to be basically able to show you what we're doing in the Discord. You can take the plays, but there will be a lag. All right. I'm going to join. I'm waiting on my money deposit in Robinhood. Yeah. Nah, that's how it be sometimes, right? And that's the thing too, right? And this ain't anything to you, Jimenez, but what I've learned is some people will say, I'm going to start next week. I'm going to start trading next week, right? But they don't realize that it's probably going to take you 2 to 4 days to get everything ready. You get what I'm saying? Because it takes days for your money to transfer into your brokerage account. So while you're waiting, you might as well transfer the money into your brokerage account so everything could get set up. So I feel exactly what you're saying. Just learning the skill has changed my life. Nah, for sure, bro. And look, the thing about it too is when you understand, like when I was losing money in the stock market, I still felt strong and empowered because I knew I was learning a skill set that could print me money, right? So even when I was taking L's and I was losing $500, $800 a day, I was still feeling good about my trajectory of my life because I knew that this was a skill set that nobody could take away. I was telling myself, I was like, dang, I'm going to be able to teach my mom this. I'm going to be able to teach my sister this. I'm going to be able to teach my nieces and nephews this, right? So even though I was taking L's, I already knew that this was something that I could give to the family. And so when you say like the skill, just learning the skill change your life, it changed my life too. And that's why I go so hard about this because, man, it's life changing. Is Webull quicker to execute a call sell when, yes. Then over Robinhood, yes, absolutely. It's much quicker for me. Because in Robinhood, you got to input the actual number, right? But in Webull, you don't have to input it. It just gives you a spread, and then you could choose those. I don't understand how to read to progress of options trade. Can you show that tomorrow? I need you to ask that question again because I don't know exactly what that means. Yeah, I think you might be talking about the charts. So if you don't know how to read candlesticks, then what I really would say is, number one, you could watch my videos. At this point, I have over 100 videos on the YouTube channel, and I be going hard on information and stock trading, candlesticks, and all of that. So be sure to go watch all my videos because I promise you, you probably gonna learn those questions, the answers to the questions that you are asking. All right. So yeah. Do y'all have any other questions before we get it cracking tomorrow? Do y'all have any other questions? I'm here for a minute. I'm just in the office, so I just want to know, do y'all have any questions before we get it popping? Oh, what I will say is when we're getting in plays, okay? When we're getting in plays, I am buying, okay? So when I'm getting in a play, I'm going, this is my Weeble, right? I go to my option chain, I click on the strike price, right? And then I go to buy, right? And then I go to order type and I go to limit. It's already selected, right? And then I'm gonna go to limit price. It got a bid, a mid, and an ask. Okay. I'm going to try to get filled, right? I'm gonna place my order around the bid and the mid. So this one is the bid is 445 and the mid is 453. So I'm gonna put 450 and I'm gonna see if I could get filled, right? Then I'm gonna get in. Now when I'm in the play and I'm ready to take my profits, I'm gonna click on my position and I'm gonna go to sell to close, okay? Sell to close. And then I'm gonna go to order type. It's gonna say limit again. I'm gonna click on limit price. It's gonna be a spread again, right? I'm gonna have bid. You got bid, mid, and ask. So the mid is 453 and the ask is 460, right? I'm gonna just try to get filled at the mid at 453, right? And then I'm gonna go click sell. All right. So when I'm trying to get out, it's sell to close. All right. My goal is to make 200 this week. Hey man, if you trade with us tomorrow, you'll make $200 this week. Like for real. Because we got some bangers. Tomorrow is shaping up to be a doozy. Not a doozy, an amazing day. All right. Is it better to buy in the money contracts or out the money? In the money. All right. I did a live last week about this exact thing. All right. Be sure to go to my live. Let me show you which live to go to. All right. I'm about to share my screen real quick. I want to show you which live you need to watch. I go very deep on the in the money and the out the money contracts. All right. So here's what I want you to do. I'm going to share my screen. All right. This is my YouTube channel, right? I want you to go down to live streams. I want you to go to this one right here. Okay. It says strike price, expiration date, Greeks and contracts. Right? 4 things to make you a better trader. It's a masterclass. It's an hour long. All right. That right there is going to tell you about the in the money and the out of the money contracts. All right. Okay. So make sure you watch that video. Because that video, man, I promise you, if you watch my videos, it'll change your life. I learned how to trade stock options over the last year, all off of free YouTube videos. I just applied myself. Yo. That's all I did. I just applied myself. I locked in. Right? I had a job. I was selling solar door to door. I was making good money, 15, 20K a month. I had a friend. He traded. I saw how it changed his life. I had money in the bank. I was like, I think it's time that I really need to learn this. I put some money in my brokerage and I locked in. For 1 whole year, nobody heard too much of anything from me. I locked in for a year. And here I am, my first year I was profitable. All right. I was able to quit my job 10 months after I went all in learning how to trade options. Right? Lock in. So any thoughts on what Intel will do tomorrow? Your teachings is awesome. I watched them. I appreciate it, James. I haven't been looking at Intel. Let's go look at Intel real quick. Let's go look. Let's go look at Intel. So we got Intel, right? Oh, wow. Okay. So we got some motion. So let's look. Oh, yeah. Intel tomorrow is going to 28.82. But that's not a big jump, but let's look real quick. So we got resistance right here. We got resistance right here. Okay. We have support down here, as you can see. We got resistance, a level right there. All right. We got some levels right here. Right here. Okay. So it looked like Intel. It looked like Intel tomorrow is gonna touch $30.40. That's just what it looked like. Because it's clear as day to me. It broke above this level. It might come down after open to $26 to test the level. But once it tests this level, it could bounce off and it could go up here. So that's what I think Intel should do. Yeah. I didn't even trade Intel today. I wasn't really paying attention to it, but I mean, that's the beautiful thing about the stock market, right? The stock market has opportunities every single day. You could literally make $5,000 in the stock market tomorrow and be like, damn, I missed out on all the opportunities, right? That's how much money the stock market has. Every single day, when a stock is going up and when a stock is going down, that's literally hundreds and thousands of dollars for you. If you learn how to capture these moves, you could literally print thousands of dollars every single day, right? It starts with $20 and then it goes to $50 and then you consistently get $100 a day. And then you consistently getting $200 to $400 a day. And then you get consistently between $500 and $1,000 a day. And then you start just learning how to go crazy. And then you start waking up to $500. You start waking up to $2,000 because you swung a trade and the stock went up by 5-10% overnight. And now you could just go cash out. Like, you got to understand that you can make the stock market your ATM machine, right? Make the stock market your ATM machine, right? You got the stock market, and then you got this right here, right? That's the laptop. That laptop is my ATM machine. And every day before 9 a.m., my goal is to make $500 minimum. That's my goal every day. Let me go make $500 minimum. That's my goal. Because the internet and the laptop and my phone, that's my ATM machines. That's how I look at it. That's really how I look at it. It ain't no other way to look at it. Right? So, like I said, I'm trading tomorrow. We're going live at 6:20 a.m. Pacific, 9:20 a.m. Eastern time. We're going live. I'm going to be in the Discord. You're going to get a lag, okay? I'm just going to keep it real with you. If I say I'm getting into play, if I say I'm loading, you're going to get that about 5 to 10 seconds later. If you want real time play-by-play, then come join the Discord tonight. So by tomorrow morning, we already in there, we locked in and we ready to go. If you want to join the live just to get in on it, right? Because you about to join or whatever, you ain't got your money in your account yet, that's fine. But I just want to set the ground rules because I want everybody to have a good experience with me and with trading, right? I want to have a good experience with you all, and I want to continue to build this thing up. I want to continue to build this channel up. I want to continue to build these relationships with you guys who viewing, right? I want to continue to pour life into you guys. I want to continue to give you guys wisdom and game, right? So I want to keep that line of communication open, and I also want to keep that line of trust open. I want you to have a good experience. So I got to make sure that I'm doing this the right way, and I'm giving you guys a precursor to everything. I ain't just going to come on here and get on live and then just be like, oh, I'm getting this play, that's it, right? Go whatever. Like, no. I want to lay this foundation for you so you can have a clear level of expectations. That's how we do, all right? I don't want y'all, in the dark and in the dust and stuff like that. So tomorrow, we're going to be trading. I am going to be looking at Shopify, Robinhood, Apple, and Adobe. These are the same stocks that was on my watch list for the week. But I feel like tomorrow, we're going to be able to attack. I feel like tomorrow, we're going to be able to extract some profits out the market. That's what I'm thinking. All right. So let's look at where the stocks is at. Right now, Shopify is at 129.18. We got Adobe. Adobe right now is at 464. So that's above my level, right? That's above my level. Who else did I say? I said Robinhood. Right now, Robinhood is at 61.24, so it's below support. SoFi is at 16.96. All right, 16.96, and we already up in our swing overnight, so that's gonna be solid. So yeah, and SoFi, yep, I just got in a SoFi swing. Absolutely, James, I appreciate you. Hey, please consider subscribing to this channel if you aren't already. I bring you valuable stock market information, trading information, how to trade every single day. I have not missed a day since I started. All right, so if you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel because I'm bringing life-changing information. All right, Renata says she got an Adobe today. How did that go for you? How was Adobe? I appreciate you, Teddy. Appreciate you for taking the time before tomorrow's trading. Now, absolutely, Vince. I just want to make sure that we have a good experience. All right. I don't want no dirt around my name. So I want to make sure that everything is copacetic. All right. I never wanted to be like, he didn't tell us X. All right. I always want to give you the opportunity, and I want to give you the ability to make an informed decision. All right. But yeah, how did that Adobe play go, Renata? I want to know about that. How did that go? Because let's look at Adobe. Let's look what happened. It went good. Okay, there we go. So let's look at Adobe. Let's look at Adobe. Check it out. Go to Adobe, right? So this right here is a gap, right? So this is what Adobe did on a daily. It came all the way down here and then went back up, right? Let's go to the 15-minute. So today, Adobe came all the way down right here, right? And then it went all the way up. So that's a solid move right there. All right, so it opened at 463, came down $10, then it went right back up $10. So that's a strong move right there. That's a real strong move right there. So, oh, you still in? Oh yeah, that's right. See? So look, this is what I'm saying, right? We talking about a free YouTube video. Yesterday I talked about Adobe. Okay, I gave the levels and everything. Renata said she's still in, and it went good. So that means she already up on the play. She probably up 15, 25%, depending on what her entry was. And she got this yesterday. This is what I'm talking about. This information is life changing. You could literally come to my YouTube channel and you can make tens of thousands of dollars. And I will not get mad that you're making tens of thousands of dollars. Because you know what it's about? It's about putting good energy in the world. All right? She said, I waited till it started to come up. Exactly. Supply and demand, right? Support and resistance. You get what I'm saying? Because look, check this out, y'all. I'm going to show y'all something. Okay. So if we go into Discord, right? Let me show y'all something. We got the watch list. This was my watch list for the week. Look what I called yesterday. This was yesterday. Adobe is on an inverted head and shoulders. It has a gap to fill from 47.90 to 547.04. The 200 EMA is sitting at 493. It also coincides with resistance level, right? So look, if we stay above support and break above 464, we headed to 493 with light resistance between. Looks like a no-brainer to the upside to me. Boom. I called this yesterday in my chat. All right. Yesterday I called it. And look what happened. Look what happened. You see what I'm saying? So that's what I'm saying. Once you learn, see, I did not know how to read charts a year ago. It was a foreign language. This was no different than trying to learn Russian or German. But now I locked in for a year and I could speak it fluently to the point where I could help people make money. She literally, Renata just said she just found me yesterday. She didn't even know I existed, found a video, implemented it, understood what I was saying, and now she already up probably some I know she up some racks. I know she up some racks. This is what it's all about. This is what it's all about. All right? Helping people build wealth. Helping people build wealth. All right? So how do I feel about KO? I honestly don't know because I haven't looked at KO or anything like that. Yeah. Okay. He said, what do you mean when you say you're in a SoFi swing? A swing trade is when you're holding longer than one day. That's pretty much it. So I got in a trade with SoFi and I plan on holding it for at least maybe like 2 to 3 days, depending on when SoFi wants to hit its target. So that's what I mean by that. I thought I could trade without the charts. I was wrong. Learning the technicals changed the game for me. Nah, for real. Same for me. When I learned how to look at them charts and them technicals, I became a different animal. Way more precise and everything. So no, that's very important. Okay. That's what's up. Yeah, Renata. Just go to my videos. I have a whole, let me show you this, Renata. Look at this. I'm gonna show you exactly what to do. All you gotta do is go to this video right here. Go to my channel and go to this video right here. How to make money over and over with the same stock. This is like a support and resistance. This is like a Bible right here. All right. So be sure to watch this video right here. This video will change the game for you. All right. I'm learning the charts. It's finally sinking in. That's what I'm talking about, Shaquanta. That's what I'm talking about. That's what it's about. It takes some time to really sink in and marinate. But when it gets there, it gets there. You know what I mean? So, no, that's excellent. That's excellent. Nothing comes overnight. I always say, get rich over time, not overnight. That's one of my things. Get rich over time, not overnight. All right. So, all right, y'all. So we're going to wrap it up for tonight. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Tomorrow, we are going live in the morning. And yeah, we're gonna make it happen. All right. So Always remember, get out of your head and go get into this world, because your head, it is a dangerous place to live. All right. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Um, Tap in, lock in. All right. Join the Discord. Come trade with us. Come make some money with us. All right. We gonna get you right. We're gonna get you everything you need, but you just gotta put in the work. So if you're willing to put in the work, we gonna it's gonna be a big old group of people that's high rollers, and we all getting to the money because we've learned how to master the skill of trading stock options. All right. I appreciate y'all for tuning in, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Peace.